Hey guys, what's up? If you're like me, you want your car to run at its absolute best for as long as possible. Well, let me pull back the curtain on a secret that top mechanics don't always want you to know, the AMSOIL advantage. Yep, I'm talking about AMSOIL synthetic lubricants, the stuff that can make your engine last longer, run smoother, and save you money all at once. So what's the big deal? Let's break it down. First up, unmatched engine protection. Think of AMSOIL as a suit of armor for your engine's moving parts. Unlike regular old oil, AMSOIL's synthetic formula keeps its thickness and strength, even when things get hot under the hood. That means less metal grinding on metal, fewer costly repairs, and way more miles before your engine even thinks about getting tired. But that's not all. AMSOIL doesn't just keep your parts safe, it keeps them clean too. Conventional oils can turn into sludge and gunk, clogging passages and robbing your engine of performance. AMSOIL resists breaking down, so you're left with a cleaner engine, less corrosion, and more reliable starts, even after sitting for a while. Now let's talk about performance. Because who doesn't want more out of their ride? AMSOIL's ultra-slick molecules mean your engine doesn't have to work as hard. That reduced friction, it can translate into a few extra horses under the hood, sharper throttle response, and bonus, better fuel economy. And if you've ever started your car on a freezing morning, you'll love how quickly AMSOIL flows, protecting those vital parts right from the first crank. Here's where it really gets interesting. Extended drain intervals. AMSOIL is engineered to go the distance. We're talking 15,000 and 25,000 miles between oil changes. Or 1 year, whichever comes first. Imagine fewer trips to the shop, less money spent on oil and filters, and more time doing what you actually enjoy. Over the life of your car, those savings add up, and so does the peace of mind. And if you're thinking bigger than just engine oil, AMSOIL's got you covered. Transmission, differentials, even hydraulic fluids. Every product is built with that same commitment to performance and protection. So here's the bottom line. If you want to keep your ride running stronger, longer, and cleaner, and save cash in the process, it's time to make the switch. Check out the full AMSOIL line at centralsynthetics.com, and you can have AMSOIL delivered right to your door. If you found this helpful, smash that thumbs up, subscribe for more real-world car tips, and let me know in the comments. Are you an AMSOIL believer or still skeptical? Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.